algebraic expression. If a plus b equals to root 7, a minus b equals to root 5, we have to prove 8ab times a square plus b square equals to 24. This case, first we can write given a plus b equals to root 7, a minus b equals to root 5. This is already has given. Now left hand side, 8ab a square plus b square. So here we have to maintain a tricks. What kinds of? Look, this 8ab we can write 4ab times 2. It means 4 times 2 is 8, and here is ab, and then a square plus b square. Now against this 4ab we can write a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, right? And against 2a square plus b square we can write a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, right? Then we will just put the value. A plus b means root 7 whole square minus a minus b means root 5 whole square. Similar, root 7 square plus root 5 square. Root 7 square means 7 minus root 5 square means 5. Same thing, 7 plus 5. Now look, 7 minus 5 is a 2 times 7 plus 5 is a 12, and finally here is 24. Now look, here is we have to prove that 8ab a square plus b square equals to 24, and here is also 24. This is right hand side. So we can say left hand side equals to right hand side. Proved. Now question, why we are writing 4ab against a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, and why we are writing a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square against this 2a square plus b square. So this is formula, but how it's we can write this case, we have to know this one also. Suppose you forget the formula, that time what can we do? Like a plus b whole square, we know this is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b, it means a square minus 2ab plus b square. If we make summation this one, so we will get a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equal, here plus 2ab and minus 2ab out, so here is 2a square plus 2b square. Once we take common 2, we will get 2a square plus b square. That's why against 2a square plus b square we are writing a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Similar thing, again we can write a plus b whole square, it means a square plus 2ab plus b square. Same, a minus b whole square, it means a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now if we subtract each other, so here is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, and here sign everything will be changed. So here a square and minus a square out, b square and minus b square out, and here is only 2ab plus 2ab, it means 4ab. Now look, 4ab, it means a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. So here is this one. So I hope everything is clear. We have to understand the math and also how formula create. So no more today. Thank you very much for being with me. Next video we will discuss another thing based on algebraic expression. This video I am trying to solve one math. Thank you.